Can a robot vacuum really save you time?
Robot vacuums are designed to clean floors automatically, freeing up your schedule. For many people, this means less time spent sweeping or vacuuming by hand. While they don't eliminate manual cleaning entirely, they can reduce routine maintenance and help you maintain cleaner floors with less effort. This can translate into valuable time saved each week, especially for busy households.
Do robot vacuums help you save money?
The upfront cost of a robot vacuum can be significant, but it may offer long-term savings. By reducing the need for professional cleaning services or frequent replacement of traditional vacuums due to wear and tear, some owners find that their investment pays off. Additionally, lower energy use compared to many upright vacuums may lead to small savings on electricity bills.
How effective are robot vacuums at cleaning?
Robot vacuums are most effective on hard floors and low-pile carpets. Advanced models can handle pet hair, dust, and daily debris with ease. However, they may miss corners, deep carpet dirt, or large debris. Regular maintenance is still needed, but robot vacuums can handle the majority of everyday messes, keeping your floors cleaner between deeper cleans.
Are robot vacuums suitable for all homes?
Robot vacuums are ideal for open spaces and homes with minimal clutter. Homes with many obstacles, thick rugs, or multiple floors may present challenges, as some models struggle with navigation or require manual intervention. Battery life, dustbin capacity, and smart mapping features vary widely. Consider your home's layout and daily cleaning needs before choosing a model.
What should you consider before buying?
Before purchasing, consider your cleaning habits, floor type, and budget. If you value convenience and routine tidiness, a robot vacuum can be a worthwhile investment. For homes with pets or allergy concerns, models with better filtration are beneficial. Balance initial cost against potential time and money saved to decide if a robot vacuum suits your lifestyle.